Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to integrate Shopify with Royal Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Once you are on Shopify, you want to go to Online Store, and here you want to search Royal Mail. Then click on Search Royal Mail in Shopify App Store. Then you want to click on Royal Mail Shipping Calculator. You want to click on Install. You want to click on Install again. You need to pay by either credit card or PayPal, but you will have a 7-day free trial. And here you want to put in all this information relevant to your store. Then go to Settings, you want to go down, and right there, unfortunately, you need to have the annual or the Pro plan in order to use third-party calculated shipping. Otherwise, you won't be able to use the app. But everything has been set up correctly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can integrate Shopify with Royal Mail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.